Head Officer Bill Arman from the West Coast. I'm here at Elevate in Dallas, 2023. I gave a nice little roundtable this morning called Breakfast with Champions, and I facilitated that table. The topic was finding people and onboarding people. So Damon was at my table this morning. He got some great ideas. It's been 30 years with David J. Frank up there. Man, he had some great ideas to share with the other people. And I think he maybe learned a couple of things, right?
Absolutely, yeah. It was a wonderful session this morning. I appreciate you overseeing it for us.
Thank you, Damon.
Yeah, some of the key things that I learned this morning and reaffirmed, things that we do at our company is on Monday mornings during the spring season, we get all of our new hires on board. We bring them into the office, do the paperwork, and go over our employee handbook. Make sure we kind of highlight all the key things that they need to know to be successful with our company. At that time, afterwards, around lunchtime, the owner of the company comes in and does a meet and greet with all of the new teammates. So they get to have a little bit of interaction, get to know each other a little bit on a personal level,
Wow,
which is nice.
That's great.
And then Dave will also go over like some of the highlights of our company mission and all that. So it's really nice to have them on board to see that. After that, we do a little bit of in-field training in the afternoon. They get to go over like a circle of safety, truck and trailer hookup, how to safely back up a truck and trailer as well. Then after that, we kind of shut down things for the day. Some of the key things I learned from today, you're very big on touch points.
Yeah.
So Bill had a nice 10-15 rule that he let me learn about today. For me, I've always done a 30, 60, 90 day rule, having a touch point with new employees, but Bill really reinforced like a weekly check-in.
Yeah, you bet.
And a touch point with these new employees to make sure that they're heading in the right direction. And it's just simple questions like, hey, how are things going?
What have you learned this
Yeah,
past
what have you
week?
learned this past week? Things of that
And maybe
nature.
recommendations to the organization. Sometimes fresh eyes see different things from guys that have been around a long time, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's always nice to get that new employee engaged. So they're, what they say is important to us as well. And then I think the key after that is to follow up with what they recommend. I mean, it might be a good idea, it might not be a bad idea, but either way, it's an idea and they feel engaged with the company, and then to follow up with that, I think is a key component to that.
So making the time, Mondays, right?
Correct.
Having the owner involvement. So that's pretty important. Bringing the big cheese in there and let him see everybody, use their names, know their names and use their names,
Sure.
right?
Yep, get to know a little bit about their families as well.
Yeah, and then the more frequent touch base, we call it the 10-15 report. Really, it's 10 minutes of the new person or person you're coaching figures out and thinks about what they're going to talk about, and then 15 minutes to go over it. So it's a 15-minute drill, basically, to keep it short and sweet. How happy are you? 1 to 5, give me a reading. 5, I'm slap happy.
Real
4,
happy, yeah.
Yeah, 4, I'm pretty happy. 3, I'm okay. 2 is I'm not that happy. 1, I'm just about out.
Yeah, but
right?
I'm out of here. I got to go. Yeah, see you later. Yeah.
And then, what did you learn last time we met? And then any recommendations you have. It's called the 10-15 report. If you click down below, I'd be happy to send one of those reports out to you. So, Damien, I really appreciate you spending some time with us.
Yeah, I appreciate it, Bill.
Go out
Thank
there
you.
and find some great people and get them on board.
And keep them on board.
And go out there. That will help you harvest your potential.